Hey, are you appearing for the PTE exam? Want to know the best PTE test tips and get materials for PTE practice? Stay updated with latest PTE news, tips, strategies and materials. Join PTE Tutorials on Telegram. Be a part of one of the largest communities of PTE test takers. Discuss PTE related queries. Get doubts solved by the experts. Know the PTE experiences of others. Share and learn more tips and strategies. Also share and access practice materials. Stay updated to know the best offers and PTE events. So, how can you join? Download Telegram, search for PTE Tutorials, click on Join, and you're good to go. You can also add your friends to the group. Simply click on PTE Tutorials, Add Member by selecting from your contacts. Get started today, friends. Download Telegram and join PTE Tutorials now. Think PTE, think PTE Tutorials.